Every single day, 100 million potatoes vanish into this facility. That is enough to feed a small nation.
In the time it takes you to blink, 5,000 hash browns are processed, frozen, and packed.
We'll reveal the exact chemical binding agent that keeps these from falling apart. And it isn't what you'd expect.
Most people think it is just shredded potato, but there is a secret behind that perfect crunch that the industry doesn't want you to notice.
The journey starts here. 200 trucks a day, delivering millions of pounds of earth-covered gold.
Water isn't just for cleaning, it's the highway. These potatoes travel miles through these pipes before they ever touch a blade.
They are subjected to a violent cleaning process. If a potato has a single bruise, the machines will find it.
One potato makes 3 hash browns. This factory processes 30 million potatoes every month. Do the math.
Artificial intelligence scans 50 potatoes per second. If the color is off by even a fraction, it's executed from the line.
Next, they enter the pressure chamber. Here, the skin is literally exploded off the potato in seconds.
Even after the steam, the potato isn't pure. It enters a high-velocity scrubbing storm, where skins are blasted into history.
Every second, thousands of potatoes pass the digital eye. A single bruise, you're out. The margin for error is 0.
They aren't just cut. They are fired through a hydraulic cannon into a grid of steel blades at 40 feet per second.
This is the secret to the crunch. Irregular shreds create more surface area for that golden crust later on.
Into the heat. At 190 degrees, we stop nature in its tracks. Too much water, and they'll be soggy. The air knife strips it away in a hurricane of precision. Now comes the soul, a precise mist of salt and seasoning that ensures every bite is exactly like the last. This is the first touch of fire, a par fry that locks the shape and starts the transformation to gold.
But the heat must be stopped. If they stay warm too long, steam turns them into mush.
Nothing escapes the eye. Every single patty is scanned for a fraction of a millisecond by lasers that see what humans can't.
Inside this frozen spiral, temperatures drop to 40 below. One flaw, and you're out. A precise blast of air removes the failures at 60 miles per hour.
This machine is a mathematician. It calculates millions of weight combinations every minute to give you the exact gram.
The final seal, airtight and ready for the world. In this factory, the clock never stops. But before they leave, we look inside the bag.
Safety is the one thing we never gamble with. Billions of units, stacked and ready. These robots work 24 hours a day, never tiring, never missing a beat.
Forget conveyor belts. Here, we use a high-speed river. These flumes move the crop across the facility at 10.
But dirt isn't the only enemy. To protect the machines and your teeth, a vertical gravity trap catches every stray stone before they reach the blades.
Now it gets intense. We don't use peelers. We use raw atmospheric pressure.
Now, the shredding. We don't use moving blades. We launch the potatoes at 60 miles per hour through a stationary grid of
The next stop is the blancher. This isn't for cooking, it's for chemistry. It locks in the white color and stops.
Here is a secret. We give them a tiny kiss of dextrose. This microcoating of sugar is what guarantees that perfect.
But sugar isn't enough. To keep that pristine white color, a protective misting ensures these potatoes never.
Next, they enter the heat. Every drop of surface moisture must be purged. Without this step, the hash brown would be a soggy mess. Inside this chamber, millions of shreds are blasted with hot air, moving through a system so large it could house a jumbo jet. But you can't mold heat. They must be cooled rapidly, stabilizing the starches until the shreds become naturally sticky. This is the moment of transformation. High-speed rotary molders press the shreds into the iconic shapes you recognize from your breakfast plate.
In a single minute, thousands of patties are born, each one identical, each one a masterpiece of engineering.
Chaos is replaced by absolute order. They are aligned, scanned, and checked. Only the perfect survive the next stage. Now, the real magic happens. A flash fry in boiling oil to lock in the shape and create that initial golden crust. This fryer is a river of gold, over 50 feet long, consuming thousands of gallons of oil every single day to meet the demand.
Look at that color. They emerge transformed, crispy on the outside, but the journey to your freezer has only just begun. Every drop counts. This vibrating belt ensures your breakfast isn't a greasy mess, shaking off the excess oil while the patties are still searing hot. Giant fans pull the initial heat away. It's a delicate balance. Cool them too fast and the crust cracks, too slow and they turn soggy from the inside out.
Now, they face the Arctic heart of the factory, the threshold where time stops for the
This is IQF technology, individual quick freezing. It's the reason your bag of hash browns isn't just one giant inseparable ice brick when you open it.
Machines with thermal vision scan every single unit. If the core isn't perfectly frozen to the exact degree, the entire batch is rejected instantly.
The judgment is instant. Only perfection is allowed to move forward toward your breakfast table. Before they are bagged, they pass through an invisible shield. Safety isn't just a goal, it's a hard requirement of the machine.
The bag is born and filled in a single heartbeat. Airtight, frozen, and ready for the long journey.
By replacing oxygen with nitrogen, we lock in the flavor and prevent the frost from destroying the texture.
Every bag is weighed one last time. In this factory, there is no room for error. The bags are safe inside, but the journey is just beginning.
Now, the machines take over the heavy lifting. This robot can pack 200 bags a minute without breaking a sweat.
Every single box has a digital fingerprint. We can track these hash browns back to the exact farm and the exact minute they were sliced.
Look at the scale. It's a literal highway of breakfast, stretching for miles above the factory floor.
Nothing gets past the X-ray. It sees through cardboard and plastic to ensure that what reaches your plate is nothing but pure potato.
In this factory, there is no room for error. If a box is one hash brown short, it's gone. Total perfection or nothing. Meet the muscle of the operation. One robot does the work of 10 men, stacking millions of hash browns a day without ever getting tired.
This single tower contains enough hash browns to feed a small city for breakfast, and we're building hundreds of them every single shift.
Wrapped in a plastic cocoon, these towers are now solid enough to travel 3,000 miles across the country without shifting an inch.
Now, they enter the deep freeze. In here, time stops. At 20 below zero, the
Millions of hash browns are waiting here in the dark. Do you think you've already eaten one of these this morning? Tell us your favorite way to cook them in the comments.
Human hands couldn't keep up. These robotic arms process over 5,000 boxes every single hour without a pause.
Each pallet is sealed in a plastic armor designed to withstand a cross-country journey. The clock is ticking.
If the temperature rises by even 5 degrees, the entire shipment is flagged. Safety is an obsession at this scale.
In the hands of a professional, that factory precision is the secret to the perfect breakfast rush.
By sunrise, millions of these perfectly formed potatoes have traveled over 1,000 miles to reach your neighborhood. This is where the factory's science meets the flame. That par fry we saw earlier? It's the reason for this instant golden crust. Try this at home, and you'll likely get a soggy mess. The secret? That massive dehydration chamber we showed you earlier.
Crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. It looks simple, but it took a billion-dollar facility to make it this consistent.
stations. In a facility this size, waste is a word that doesn't exist. Even the water is filtered to
But speed require a guardian. Every bag is scanned by X-ray eyes. If a single grain of sand or
24 hours a day, the bagging storm never stops. These machines process over 2,000 units per minute, faster than the human eye can track.
To survive the journey to your plate, they must enter the vault, -20 degrees.
As the sun rises, the fleet moves out. From this single point, millions of
This is the Arctic Fortress. At any given moment, 10 million hash browns are waiting here.
This chicken is absolutely delicious, honey.
I'm glad you think so. There's plenty more.
Every single morning, millions of these golden patties find their way onto breakfast plates across the nation.
It's a journey that spans hundreds of miles and involves the most advanced food technology on the planet.
The secret isn't just the fry, it's the moisture control. We've engineered the perfect crunch into every bite. From New York to Tokyo, these American-made staples are feeding the global appetite for the perfect breakfast. Remember that secret we teased? It's the recycled starch. By reapplying it to the surface,
Does anything beat the factory-perfect crunch? Or do you prefer the chaos of a homemade batch? Let us know in the comments. With millions produced, waste isn't an option. Every scrap of these potatoes is recycled back into the cycle of life.
Next time you hear that crunch, remember the million-to-one journey it took to get to you. It's not just a hash brown.
if you want to see how the rest of your world is made, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started.
While you sleep, an army of steel and rubber is moving. Millions of golden patties are on a journey to your breakfast table.
In this factory, perfection is the only option. An unblinking laser eye ensures not a single blemish makes it to your plate. 1 million patties every 24 hours. Enough to feed a city, born from a single farm in Idaho.
Behind the steel and steam are the people who keep the rhythm alive. A symphony of human skill and machine power. Even the scraps serve a purpose, powering the very machines that feed us. It's a closed loop of efficiency.
Now that you've seen the science, be honest. Do you prefer the homemade mess or the perfect factory crunch? Tell us in the comments. From the deep earth to the high-speed line, this is the industrial miracle of the humble hash brown. There are more secrets hidden in the things you eat every day.